In Matthew 19:7, the Pharisees approached Jesus trying to catch him in saying the wrong thing. So they asked him a question, which is already suspicious. They said to him, "Why then did Moses command one to give a certificate of divorce and to send her away?" He said to them, "Because of your hardness of heart, Moses allowed you to divorce your wives. But from the beginning it was not so. And I say to you, whoever divorces his wife, except for sexual immorality, and marries another, commits adultery." Are we going to let hardness in our hearts defeat what God created, the bond that he put together between a husband and wife to reflect what Jesus created in the bride that he brings to heaven? That image is so beautiful. We can't let the hardness keep us from heavenly behavior. Jesus says that from the beginning it was not so. He designed us to stay together. So if you're struggling with your marriage, it just takes small changes and small softenings of your heart to bring back reconciliation. You need to do that little by little.